Hey everyone, not sure if your Verizon phone is unlocked? This video shows you how to check its lock status quickly and accurately. Usually, a Verizon device will be unlocked automatically after 60 days from the date of purchase. If you want to check the unlock status, you can either visit the Verizon device unlock page or access the phone settings directly. Device unlocking policy. Device lock duration. All devices purchased at full retail price or through a device payment agreement are unlocked for 60 days. This includes devices paid off before the 60-day period end. Porting services. If customers port their service to another carrier, their devices remain locked until the 60-day requirement is met. Service cancellation. If a customer cancels their Verizon service, while their device is still locked, the device will remain locked until the 60 days have elapsed. Prepaid customers. Devices purchased by prepaid customers are also locked for 60 days from the date of purchase. Fraud prevention. This locking policy is designed to mitigate theft and protect customer from fraud, making it less attractive for criminals to steal locked devices. Get IMEI number on Android. Go to settings, about phone, then go to status. Scroll down to find the IMEI number listed there. iOS, iPhone, go to settings, then general, then go to about. Scroll down to find the IMEI number. Alternatively, you can also open the phone app from your Android or iPhone device and dial *#06#. Your IMEI number will be displayed on the screen. Method 1, using website. Go to Verizon's device unlock check page. Enter device IMEI number. Click continue button to know the status. Method 2, accessing settings. For iPhone or iOS, go to settings, then general, then about. Scroll down and look for carrier lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it says SIM locked, your iPhone is locked to a specific carrier. For Android, go to settings, network and internet, go to mobile network, tap network operators and select search now. If multiple carriers name appear, your Android phone may be unlocked. This method works often but is not 100% accurate. Method 3, using SIM card. Insert a SIM card from another carrier and try making a call. If the call connects, your phone is unlocked and compatible with other carriers. Method 4, contact Verizon customer support. Dial *611 from your Verizon phone or call Verizon customer service. Provide your account details and IMEI number. They can confirm your phone's lock status and help unlock it if eligible, usually after 60 days of activation and no outstanding payments. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.